Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear viewers, if you have some aim, if you have some goal, if you have some vision, whatever your age is, whatever your condition is, whatever your situation is, start working now. This is time. This is time to work. This is time to work on your dreams. This is a limited life. This is a limited time. So you should start right now. See, you should consider that this is the first day of your life. Today you are born. Now you have got the thing that you have now. So start working on your dream now. Don't focus on your past. Past will never come. It will never ever come. So you have just your present moment. You have this day. You have this time when you are listening to me now. If you have some dream, if you think that you are capable of doing something worthy, if you think that you are not a regular being, you think that you are a unique person, if this thought comes to your mind, then you must start working on that thought right now. This is the time to work on yourself. This is the time to work on your vision. This is the time to work on your ideas. If you are not an average person, you will not like an average life. Even if you are living this life from 10 years, but inside yourself there will be a thought that you are not an average being. You should do something more worthy. You should do something more precious. You should do something more valuable. You should serve humanity. You should educate people. You should educate yourself. If these kind of thoughts come to your mind, then you are not an average person. It means that you are a super person. It means that you are a precious person. It means that you are a unique person. And if you are a unique person, whenever you woke up, whenever, this is the time to live a new life. The past is just your experience now. The past should not bound yourself. Past is just a lesson. Learn it and move on. This moment is your life. This moment when I am talking to you and you are listening to me, this is your moment. This is your life. So start working now. Start to wake up early now. Start to work on your dreams now. Write what do you want in your life. Then write how can you get it. Then write that what are the kind of steps that should I take step by step to achieve that dream, and then start working. This is the life. We have a limited time, we have limited resources, but we have unlimited potential. The potential is within ourselves. The potential is our own self. No one can limit ourselves. Nothing can limit our potential. Nothing can limit our abilities. So why we let people, why we let situations, why we let past limit ourselves? We are not limited. We can do what we want. We can do what we dream. We can get what we vision. So if you have some dream, you just start working right now. This is the time to work on. This is the time to be serious now. Past is just good to get lesson. Otherwise, past is a burden. If you take past as a burden, you cannot live your life in the present moment. So, past should not determine your future. Past is just a roadmap that you did it and you get it. And now you have to do what you want to get in your life in future. Nothing can bound ourselves. We were born with unlimited power, but we limit our powers by the opinions of others, by the opinions of our friends, family, society. So, if these kind of opinions you listen from external factors, you should stop listening to these kind of opinions right now. and you just have to listen the voice of your inner self, the voice of your heart, which is telling to you that I am unlimited, I can do what I want, I can get what I want, and I'm more precious. So this was my message to you. If you have some dream, start working right now. Don't take past as a burden. Live your life in present. Start your journey from now. Thank you.